It is time. Something to light around Christmas. About for calls. You see the subject about myself, but just because I know the call stock. What's the dumbest 10% square foot? Play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Let's start with Preston, Illinois. Preston.
Jim, I need your help to clear the air on this one. I'm a doctoral student studying financial management, and I've been watching your show for 6 years. I believe you're the best to ever do it. As interest rates become a topic as of late, I'm looking at small cap stocks, but since 2020, I've been watching the stock draw downwards, thinking it as more of a 2027 story. Given current market conditions, though, maybe the price is consolidating, but the balance sheet has been so rough over the last couple of years. Am I throwing the ball, or am I staying in the pocket with EVLV, Evolv Technologies?
Okay, now, this is a pure spec. It doesn't make money. I am willing to say that I can bless it, but you have to understand, because it's not going to make money, not making any money anytime soon, you got to be willing to lose a lot of money. That's how I bless it. Let's go to Jack in Kansas. Jack.
Hey, Jim. Everything's good here in Kansas. The Royals, the Chiefs, my Jayhawks are struggling. If people listen to you, they make a lot of money. My stock is one
Coach Reed. Coach Reed's my man. I like Coach Reed. I'm playing. I got Juju this weekend, too. Go ahead.
Okay. So you told this story a while back, and I think it fits perfect. During the gold rush, which is kind of like AI, you can't remember any miners that made money, but Safeway, Levi Strauss, Wells Fargo, they all got rich.
Yes, they did.
I think my stock is one kind of like that. I think it's going along for the ride. VRT. What do you think?
Oh, Vertiv. Yeah, it is. But the problem is everyone is a lot smarter these days, and they know that this is a good one. The stock is, here's the way I want to approach this. The stock just hit an all-time high today. You got to wait for a pullback, because they have these pullbacks. They're so vicious, everyone runs. And when they run away, let's go to Abdi in Georgia. Abdi.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Hey, it's an honor to talk to you, and thank you for helping average investors like me.
Thank you.
I've been a first-time caller. I've been listening over 10 years.
Oh, thanks a lot, man. Right. Thank you for calling in.
Oh, thank you. And calling for the ticker name NIO.
Too spec, Chinese. They'll just lose. This is really a dice roll. Just go with Tesla, because then you also get the robot kicker. I'd rather see in Tesla. Absolutely. Let's go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Jimbo, my question for you today is, if Qualcomm acquires Intel, is there any way for them to get some value out of it?
I don't think so. And I know that they were talking about doing it after the election. I can't tell you what's going on with Qualcomm, because I don't think they know what's going on with Qualcomm. Let's go to Robert in New York. Robert.
Booyah, Jim. What's your take on Celsius Holdings?
All right. Celsius is a very difficult stock because there's a huge short position. People keep wanting it to go down. Giant short position. I don't understand why. John Fieldy is a terrific guy, but Fieldy has not explained the Pepsi relationship. I don't understand it, so therefore I can't opine on it. Let's go to Guy in New York. Guy.
Hey, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I'm an old Louis Rukeyser fan, a Charter Club member. I've been following you since Kudlow and Cramer days. Thank you. I'm calling about a company with a PEG ratio of 1.71, almost a 20% growth rate, beat last 3 quarters. Busy place. What do you think about TXRH,
Texas Roadhouse? I have liked this stock literally for 100 points. It has got the best $11 meal in the country. It is still a buy, even though it just keeps going higher and higher. Let's go to Sammy in California. Sammy.
Hey, how you doing, Jim? Hi. And all the people that own the video say thank you. We love the stock. We saw your chart report yesterday. I thought it was great. I'm calling about MSTR, MicroStrategies.
MicroStrategy is a derivative of Bitcoin. I always tell people, don't buy the derivatives, buy the real. Either buy Bitcoin or buy Ethereum. Both those I'm fine with. You can do an ETF out of Vanguard if you want to do it that way. Let's go to Bill, Missouri. Bill.
Hey, Jim. Booyah.
Bill. Booyah.
Hey, I bought Iron Mountain 2 years ago in July at $48.
Whoa.
I sold off a little bit, but I'm hesitant to sell off anymore because it's doing so well, and I'm getting like 6% of my money. What do you think?
But back then, it was very cheap, and it had a 5% yield. Now it's no longer cheap, and it has a 2% yield. Higher prices, of course, create a lower yield. And I think it is no longer a buy. I would actually take some profits in that stock. Let's go to Dave in Florida. Dave.
Yeah, booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Thanks for taking my call. I'm wondering, I'm an investor in Applied Materials, And what happened yesterday, aside from ASML?
Well, I mean, this is all derivative of Lam Research. Now, I mean, I'm sorry, I want to buy Lam Research. It's derivative of ASML, and Lam was down huge, and that's the better one right here, and then Applied Materials. And that, ladies and gentlemen, the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, how do you spell Taiwan Semi with an A and an I? Cramer chips away at its post-earnings move higher. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.